I've been told by a lot of my followers and past viewers that I take way too long to explain my video and the content. So I'm going to try to keep all my future videos under 5 minutes. So we're going to run through this. So today we're talking about how to use cin and cout in C++. And so cin and cout, basically the overall view of what they do and what they allow you to do, is just to cout stuff to your computer screen or take things in from your keyboard as input. So let's set this up. We'll say set up a program. So we're going to pound include iostream, and we are going to, using namespace std, we're going to set up our main function. That's the first function that's run. It's basically your program, and we are going to say cout. You're going to use less than operator, and you're going to cout anything you want. It could be a variable, it could be a sentence if you want. You can go ahead and just write it out there. So we're going to say, what is your favorite number? Okay, cool. We're going to make an integer called favnum, standing for your favorite number, and we're going to say cin greater than. Note that it's different than less than for cout. It's always greater than cin favnum. Okay, so if I run this right now, it's going to say this line here. It's going to put this out on your computer. What is your favorite number? Myself as a user, I'm going to type 27, and right away it will store 27 as my favorite number, as favnum. So now if I cout favnum, what my program will do is put 27 right there. So what we'll do, just to show you that it's separated, is we're going to cout here, and endl, that's an end line, which all it does is modify this and as a return. So this is what we're seeing now. This is our input, and this is what you're seeing from cout right there. This is 27. Alright, cool. Now notice we don't have a return 0 for our program to work, so let's just add one of those quickly. So that's how we deal with cout numbers. Let's talk about cout a name. So we'll say cout what is your name? Okay. We'll make a string called your name. And we'll cin your name. Now this is right if you just want a first name or a letter, or someone doesn't have a last name or a middle name. But most people do at least have one of the two, so we will have to take an account for that. So what we're going to have to do is type a cin.ignore statement, and what this will do is ignore the last input from before. We had the cin up here, favnum, and favnum was ended by us hitting return. Now return is actually a keystroke that will be recognized by your next cin. So since we're using a get line, which gets an entire line of text like a full name, it will recognize a return as a keystroke. So we don't want that, so we have to pair our get line with the cin.ignore above it. So we have get line cin your name. Okay, and that will allow us to get a full name. So when we type in this over here, what is your full name? Alex Clover, and we say cout your name after we have a end line. We will have Alex Clover be outputted. So when I say what is your full name and I type in Alex Clover, the program will then output Alex Clover. And just so you guys know I'm not crazy or making this stuff up, we'll run it in Xcode really quickly just to show you I'm not bullshitting you guys. Okay, cool. What is your favorite number? 27. What is your name? Alex Clover. Awesome. Exactly what I said. Okay, so I'm not kidding you guys. That's how you do it. That's some uses of it. So yeah, I hope you like that. I hope you liked length a lot better than those 20-minute ones from the beginning. Um, if you did, then please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Get interested, see how many videos you guys can watch in one setting, one day. Have fun with it. Learn a lot and just have fun. Okay, thanks, guys.